this out. We've got hills. Fucking hell, hills, look. What's up everybody, welcome to Scouse Adventures. We're out again on the bikes. We are on our way to see some hills. Fucking closest hills we've got to where we live. There's 6 of us out on the bikes, as you can see right there. And we got H with us today, right here, on his little 250 I think it is. So we're not going mad, we're keeping the speed down. And we're just taking in the sun. This fucking glorious day. There's hardly any clouds in the sky. Like I said, we're on our way to, it's called Elkwater Provincial Park here in Alberta, so you'll be able to see a bit of difference, not just flat roads. There is actually hills and shit there, so the cougars live there as well, apparently. But anyway, this is us just on the straight road for now, so it's boring for you guys and probably boring for me, so I'll check back in with you guys later on. Check this out. We've got hills. Fucking hell, hills, look. Might as well be mountains. Yeah boy, this is way better. And we're starting to get trees as well, look. Trees and hills, man, you can't beat it. It's just like going to the Rocky Mountains on a very, 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 very smaller scale. Sweet. Oh, H is doing good on his little Honda 250 Honda Rebel. He's keeping on with the boys, which is good. But yeah, we're coming into this place is called the Cypress Hills, named after the rapping group. Not, only kidding. Hey, what's up, man? But yeah, look, check it out. Hills, trees, and nice warm fucking weather. Woo! Oh, look at that opening up there. Oh, oh yeah, fuck. Roads are shit, but look at that. Gleaming. An hour's ride, and we hit the hills. Oof. Yeah, fucker, man. So we are on the gravel road of doom. Taking it nice and easy. Through the hills. Lovely jubbly. Just gotta be careful. Speed down. No fucking hard turns left or right. Nice and easy. Pick the best route you possibly can. Because this shit will put you down quicker than a fucking baseball bat. God damn. Well, we're only doing about 5k apparently, so we'll see how we get on. Ooh. Well, I can't complain about the scenery though. Fucking stunning. At least it's not the 100k fucking dirt road of doom that we did in BC 2 years ago. That was horrendous. But nice and easy. I think on that 100k of doom I learned how to ride a bike on dirt, so should be good. Anyway, check back in with you when we get to where we're going. Stunning though around here, eh? Absolutely beautiful. Makes it all worthwhile, all that gravel and shite for that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Check that right on, man. Woo. Stunning. We're going to go in here now, we're going to get some fuel before it shuts. Maybe grab a bite to eat, you never know. Or a coffee or something. And then we're going to do some drone shoots with the bikes. Goddamn bikes. Because we've got all different variants of bikes with us today, which is always a fucking bonus as well. Oh, gravel. Don't like the gravel, don't like the gravel. Motherfucking gravel, don't good. Why is the gravel here? Get out. beautiful, man. Stunning. Oh, Canadian geese, goose, whatever you want to call them. There you go, look. Quack, quack. Canadian geese. Ah, some more there, look. And a seagull. Even though there's no fucking sea anywhere in the 600-mile radius. Stupid ass seagulls, man. So that's us. We eventually made it to Elkwater and the fucking 5k gravel road of doom. And we just filled up and stuff, put some stuff in with that cafe. Sorry, the 1, 2, 3, 4 cafe and pub. Great, just had beverage. And now we're just, there you go, there's the cafe. Bikes have all parked up and stuff. Like I say, fueled up, and we're going to go and take a drive around the hills and stuff now. As you can see, it's nice to see some actual trees and some fucking hills, man, instead of just flatness. So, but yeah, if you're ever in these part of the world, Elkwater in Cypress Hills, you can camp here, you can bring your RV, it's great. I've been here a few times, so yeah, it's really good. But yeah, we're going to make a march up to a place called Resort Lake, which is absolutely stunning, which you'll see shortly. But yeah, bikes are doing good, and they're all bogging, dirty bogging now, because Robbo forgot that it's a gravel road and he normally goes up that on his Jeep. But there you go, we made it at least safe and sound, so see you shortly. These are all just showing off now with your exhausts. I'll turn mine on. How do you like these apples? How do you like them apples, motherfuckers? Let's go down and check out. Imagine living here, man. Lovely. Look at that. Ooh. Your typical Canadian lake town, as it were. Absolutely beautiful. I could definitely get used to living here. Absolutely, mate. Absolutely. Have a little beach house or a lakeside home. Hey, look at that. Whoa. But you know, they've got crazy golf, or pitch and putt as they call it over here. You got your Canada goose, Canadian geese everywhere. I mean, look at that. Beautiful house, beautiful lake, beautiful creatures. Speed limit 30, as it should be. For the kids, the amount of kids that come down here, the families and play, and it's fantastic, man. It really is. Love coming here. Awesome, man. It's awesome to, you know, to get out and share this with my brothers from other mothers, but still my brothers. My brothers on two wheels. You guys know all about that. Yeah, it's just stunning, man. JD with his VMAX beast. A couple more gooses. How'd you say gooses? Geese? Did you say geese? Yeah, it's plural, isn't it? So it's geese, not gooses. Ah, glorious day, man. Glorious day. But like I said, you can come and camp down here. You can come stay at this bit here. They've got quite, I think, probably 200-300 slots camping. And there's one down by the river down there as well, which is awesome. I mean, look at that, man. Wow. Can't you complain, pal? Another one up there. Just stunning, look. Get that. In the words of Bernard Matthews, for those of you in the UK who used to do the gravy, beautiful. Really beautiful. Snow? Fuck you, snow. Someone else's house there. I mean, look at that. Could you imagine just living there with that as a view? And I mean, if you've got a little back garden sort of shed, you can go and... Yeah, absolutely amazing, mate. This is why I love this country. I mean, don't get me wrong, we get this in the UK, you get this around the world, but I don't know, there's just something a wee bit special about Canada. So there you go, we made it all the way down to the lake, Resort Lake. We got pelicans on the river. Here's one taking off, if you can see that. Off he goes. And yeah, just beautiful, man. Absolutely stunning. Can't complain about this. Apart from that horrendousness there. But yeah, check it out, man. And you know what? It's a nice change from your usual flatness. And this is the other side of Alberta. Stunning. Might see a moose down there, man. But yeah, you get all sorts up here. But, you know, can't complain. Took us an hour to get here. It'll take us an hour to get back. Everyone's in good spirits. We're all having a good time. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, how's the Rebel getting on?
Doing good.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, loving it.
Good. She's keeping up well, eh?
Hey?
She's keeping up well.
She's getting there.
What like that?
Give her a smack on the arse a couple of times.
Is ya?
Right.
Oh yeah. What do you think, Mark?
I think those birds are big.
Pelicans, mate, pelicans. Alright, have we had a good ride though, boys?
Yeah, well, didn't even know this place existed.
Well, there you go. That's why it's called Scouse Adventures. Scouse's Adventures. Bike is bogging. Robbo's gonna fucking in charge of cleaning it because he had the fucking 5k of doom trail. Well, yeah. Anyway, looks like we're off.
Shit on your plate as well.
You've got some shit on your nose. Blue nose.
Yeah, what was I?
V-Max.
So not just the road from the big fucking bad.
Mister, how much for bike?
$2.
the Cypress Hills, Elkwater Provincial Park, and it is a fucking stunning place, as you've seen. Now, it's been typical, fucking beautiful day all day, 20 degrees, and as you can see over there, now it's getting a bit nippy, and we're driving into a fucking thunderstorm by the looks of things. So we shall see momentarily where everything fucking hopefully we get out of it. But yeah, if you're ever up this way, check out Cypress Hills, stunning place. Like I said, I like coming here, it's pretty cool. It's about 4 hours away from where I live, honest. But yeah, a cool place. But yeah, we're now going to get wet, so listen, everybody ride safe, stay safe if you can, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more cool content. Hopefully you've liked the video. Anyway, peace out guys, ride safe, take it easy, and remember, you'll never walk alone.